Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to reduce transparency of home screen and app docks to save battery in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and now open the main page of settings and then click on accessibility. After clicking on accessibility, you can see the option display and text size. Now click on display and text size, and after that you can see the option reduce transparency, and you can turn on this button reduce transparency. After turning this button on, your transparency will be turned on. So after turning this on, it will save your battery. So this is the way to reduce transparency of home screen and app docks to save battery in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.